Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. Ma, may I wear it now? Asked Manu. No, my dear, the rains are near, but just now the sky is clear, said Ma. Monday was bright and sunny. Will it rain today, Mommy? Asked Manu. No, Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny, said Ma. On Tuesday, the sky was blue. Ma, when will my wish come true? Asked Manu. Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky, said Ma. Wednesday was hot. Ma, why doesn't it rain? Asked Manu. Son, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon, said Ma. On Thursday, Manu went on a picnic. Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me? Asked Manu. No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high in the sky, said Ma. Friday was cloudy. Ma, will it rain today? Asked Manu loudly. It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky, said Ma. Saturday began with a bang. Bada boom! Ma, is that thunder I hear? Will it rain very soon? Asked Manu. And then at last, it started raining. Oh, it's raining, sang Manu, running out. But Manu called Ma, running after him. You forgot your raincoat.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.